Craving comfort with a twist? Today we're trolling up a mouth-watering linguine that lets you choose your adventure. Go all veggie with sun-dried tomatoes, portobello mushrooms, spinach, colorful bell peppers, or turn up the flavor with juicy ground beef, Italian turkey sausage, and those veggies. Either way, this dish is pure pasta perfection.
The vegetables are so delectable. So much flavor. You don't need the meat. Trust me. Oh, these vegetables, so flavorful. Ooh, what a party. Real good. Oh man, there's some good stuff here. You have a party in your mouth with without the meat, with the meat. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are making something very familiar, pasta, linguine of course, my fave. And we're adding some really good hearty vegetables to it. But we gotta have our meat for the meat lovers. So let's get ready and make it. So our pasta water is boiled. Going to put in our linguine. Don't break your pasta, leave it whole. I like to rotate and move around my pasta, disturb it, because when I disturb it, then I know that it's not going to stick together. So that's why I like to move it around to make sure that it doesn't stick together. So our pasta's done, so I'm actually putting a bowl underneath. I'm taking out the drainer and putting a bowl underneath.
Here are a list of ingredients.
So we're gonna saute our vegetables now.
I love green seasoning, so this is my own homemade green seasoning that I'm adding. And I'm going to add in our bell peppers, of course. Get that sauteed up with our
Onions.
my yellow bell pepper. And then we're gonna add our mushrooms. We're gonna add our spinach last. A little bit more. My green seasoning here. Our sun-dried tomatoes. Add some of this oil from here. Add some of my sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm gonna add some black pepper to my veggies and some Himalayan salt. Our vegetables, it has a natural flavor, but it needs a little bit of pick-me-up. So we'll continue to stir this, saute it till it cooks down. Doesn't that look beautiful? And I wish you could smell it. Oh, fantastic. Okay, so now we're gonna add some spinach here. Gotta get our greens, our vitamins K and iron in here, and without the meat. So this is something for meat eaters. This is something for vegans. This is something for vegetarians. So do not rule this out just because I'm incorporating meat in it. See, I try to get everything that everybody can eat, honey. You know, and I just love the pop of the colors here that you see, the red, the yellow, the orange, and the green from the spinach. And once it's done, I'm going to show you. So our veggies is completely done.
But I'm gonna use the same flavoring left in this skillet to cook our ground beef and turkey sausage. Get all that yummy flavor in. So I have my ground turkey sausage here, and I have my ground beef, which I put a little bit of my own green seasoning on it, and some onion powder and garlic powder. And I am actually gonna put a little bit of black pepper. I added a little bit of beef better than beef bouillon in it, and now it's just allowing it to cook up. It's gonna cook up. And again, my vegans and vegetarians, don't run. Told you, you could just have this without the meat. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous this looks. Look at this healthy bowl full of nutrition and yummy vegetables, and the colors are just outstanding. So my pasta's already cooked. I cook it al dente, which I showed you earlier. And now I'm gonna add my veggies to this. I'm just gonna kind of like mix it all in. Just get it coated up. Let's just kind of toss this all in here while I have just gently kind of tossed this. Now you don't want to mix. Again, you see how I'm gently folding it over. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry for those of you who are not meat lovers, but those who are, this smells so fantastic. Look at these beautiful colors, and look at that veggie. Oh, healthy bowl of nutrition right here.
Here's our vitamin content.
Just want it to be fully brown and cooked, and then we will incorporate that with our pasta. So we won't really necessarily have a sauce for this pasta. There's no heavy cream or any of that. I mean, you can put that if you like, but I'm just going with the natural juices of the vegetable and the meat. Okay, so our meat is now done, beautifully brown, and we are now going to add that in here. Look at our meat, wonderfully brown. And we're now going to put our ground beef and our sausage. Again, I have no particular sauce, but just the flavoring
sauce from the vegetable and whatever from this, gravy from the meat that was cooked, the ground turkey sausage and the ground beef. However, you are more than welcome to add some heavy cream in here, or make a sauce for yourself, or make some other type of sauce. But I am going to omit doing that. So I'm just going to mix this. Again, I'm mixing. I'm not stirring hard. I'm just folding it over gently with my tongs. Now, I did take some out before I had incorporated the meat. So if you didn't want to add any meat to it, you know how it would just be beautiful and pretty on its own. I know you're excited to eat, because I am.
Look at your linguine options. One loaded with vibrant veggies, and the other one sizzling sausage and beef and veggies, and a snowfall of shaved Parmesan. This is comfort in every twirl.
Oh, I can't wait to get into this. So we are going to try just our plain veggie pasta without the meat. The vegetables are so delectable. So much flavor. You don't need the meat, really. If you don't like meat or don't want to put any or don't have any, you're just fine without it. These vegetables, so flavorful, I promise you. Now, let us taste it with the meat, because I'm a meat lover, Ooh, what a party. Real good. Let me tell you. Again, you don't have to have the meat if that's not something you're into. It's not going to change the dish, except give it a little bit more flavor. Okay, I use that ground sausage. That's the key. The meat, the ground turkey with the veggies, so well seasoned. My green seasoning, people. You have a party in your mouth with without the meat. So, here's my call to action. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. And on your way out, don't forget to hit the like button. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I do appreciate it. Comment below and let me know if you made this, how it turned out for you. And don't forget, health is wealth, and be good to yourself. Mwah.
And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this. Recipes.